Five things you should do to grow your natural hair. First, spray your hair. Okay? Moisturize. Keep your scalp clean. A healthy scalp, okay, helps your hair to grow. Wash your hair regularly to remove built up sweat and dirt that can block your hair growth. All right, guys, so right here I am moisturizing my hair. Okay, so I am spraying my teas on my hair. This is a hair growth tea. Then the second thing you should do for your hair to grow, to give you a healthy, fast growing, lovely hair. Moisturize your hair often. If your hair is dry, moisturize it. Use water. First use water, then the next use leave-in condition. Okay. Dry hair breaks easily. Use water-based moisturizer, leave-in conditions, natural oils like rosemary, coconut, lavender to keep your hair soft and hydrated. I love using rosemary mixed with coconut oil and adding lavender. I have done, this is the oil right here. So this oil here contains rosemary and lavender. All right, guys. So protect your hair at night. When you are sleeping, use satin scalp bonnet. Satin scalp now, satin hair tie. You need the bonnet, okay? You need satin pillow to reduce fractions and also prevent breakage while you sleep. When we sleep anyhow. We stretch our hair anyhow on the bed, so our hair can break. So the next thing I'm using right here now is shea butter to seal in everything. Okay, I'm going to be using this shea butter to seal in all the things I have done on my hair. So another tip, okay, trimming your split ends. Okay, trimming damaged ends helps to prevent breakage from moving up. When we leave the split ends on the ends of our hair, sometimes some of them moves up to our hair, which makes our hair to break. Okay, when you are trying to separate your hair, when you are detangling your hair. And also another tips you need to know is drink a lot of water and eat healthy. Hair growth comes from within, so from inside us our hair grows. Okay, our hair does not just pop out just like that. As you can see from this picture, see my front edges, it's growing. There was nothing there. See that circle I did there was nothing there, but the place I am touching now, you see the hair is growing because of what? Consistently using all these things on my hair. All right, so eating good food, especially rich in protein food, iron, vitamins. Stay hydrated and also relax. Leave your hair to breathe. Not be every time go to touch your front hair. Let your front hair breathe. Okay, and don't forget the last thing. Make sure you massage your scalp. Okay, massaging your scalp helps with blood circulation to flow. Okay, for your blood circulation, for your blood to flow around your scalp, massage it.